In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss, and St. Andrew Prep won and decided to send Ascot Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we begin with Ascot Primary. Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible immediately precedes the book of James?
Which book comes before James?
Titus.
Incorrect. Hebrews. St. Andrew. Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible comes immediately after the book of Nehemiah?
Malachi.
Incorrect. Esther. Jamaican affairs. It's a visual question. Ascot. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
J.C. Hutchinson.
Member of Parliament. That's correct. Jamaican affairs. A visual question. St. Andrew. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Mia Motley.
Incorrect. Rhoda Moy Crawford, Member of Parliament, Jamaican Member of Parliament. Ascot. Science. What type of rocks are often the result of the accumulation of small pieces broken off from pre-existing rocks?
Accumulation of small pieces broken off of previous rocks. Sedimentary rocks.
Sedimentary rocks.
Correct. Science. St. Andrew. What types of rocks are crystalline solids which form directly from the cooling of magma in the Earth's crust?
Igneous rocks.
Correct. Television. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Selena Gomez.
Incorrect. Debbie Bissoon, one of the hosts of TVJ Smile Jamaica. Television, a visual question for you, St. Andrew. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Neville Bell.
Incorrect. Garth Williams, one of the hosts of TVJ Smile Jamaica. English language. Ascot, what is the comparative form of ridiculous?
Comparative form of ridiculous.
More ridiculous.
That's right. English language. St. Andrew, what is the superlative form of the word excellent?
Most excellent.
Correct. Sports, a visual question. Ascot, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Merlene
Otti.
Incorrect. Cheyenne Salmon, Jamaican athlete. St. Andrew. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Shirley Fraser Price.
Incorrect. Akira Nugent, Jamaican athlete. General knowledge. Ascot, in a chess game, how many bishops does each player begin with?
In a chess game, how many bishops does each player begin with?
Two.
That's right. General knowledge. St. Andrew. There are 16 pieces for each player at the start of a chess game. How many are rooks?
Two.
Correct. Social studies. Ascot, what natural disaster occurs along plate boundaries of the Earth?
Natural disaster occurs along plate boundaries. Earthquake.
Correct. Social studies. St. Andrew. Activities in the Earth's crust are exhibited in two natural disasters. One is an earthquake. What is the other?
Volcanic eruption.
Correct. Ascot music. Which Jamaican reggae artist is known as Junior Gong?
Which Jamaican reggae artist is known as Junior Gong? Damian Marley.
That's right. St. Andrew music. What is the stage name for the Jamaican singer born Rodney Basil Price?
Buju Banton.
Incorrect. Bounty Killer. Ascot mathematics. And we don't have time for any more questions. That's the end of section 1. The scores are St. Andrew Prep on 4 and Ascot Primary on 6. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from our friends at Guardian Achiever. Don't try to take on too much study material in one sitting. Break down your assignments, homework, and test materials into smaller portions. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.